Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth with Stamped Treasures. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am here today to share the details of our August 2024 class to go. This month, Laura and I are focusing on the Unbounded Love Bundle from the 2024-25 annual catalog. This is a fabulous bundle, great greeting set with greetings for inside and outside of your cards, but these dies are the star of the show. They are so fabulous and can be used with so many different things. So that's the bundle that we're focusing on. Now this class to go, registration is open until August 11th, and there are options for everyone. So option number 1 is an in-person option, and you pay $35. You receive half a package of this Unbounded Beauty DSP and card kits to create 3 cards, 3 of the 6 that we would actually make in this class. Okay. Option number 2, this is available in person or to go. I can ship this kit anywhere in Canada. The fee is $50, and it includes half a package of this DSP, so the Unbounded Beauty DSP, which is a fabulous, beautiful patterned paper. Flip it over so you can see the back sides. So one side is pretty florally, and then the other side is a little bit more muted patterns. You get a quarter package of the In Color Glimmer paper, which coordinates with this, 2 yards of the Petunia Pop ribbon, a full package of resin dots, and the 6 card kits and the email tutorial for those 6 cards. So if you choose the in-person option, I just want to point out that you would only make 3 in class, and then the other 3 you make at home. All right, so that option is available. And then option number 3, if you don't already own this bundle, then this option is for you. Again, this option is available in person or to go. You can purchase the Unbounded Love Bundle, the DSP, full package of the DSP, and the resin dots, and I will give you the 6 card kits, a quarter package of the glimmer paper, and the 2 yards of ribbon for free. Okay. Now, if you are a Stamped Treasures team member, then you can participate in the class as well. And I will link to where you can find all of this information, because I know it can be overwhelming, where you can find more information on how to participate in the class. And if you live outside of Canada and would still like to participate, there is a tutorial only option. And again, I will link to where you can find that tutorial below. I'm also excited to offer a bonus class this month. So when I was playing with this DSP and the bundle, I thought it would work beautifully with the Poised Peony stamp set from the annual catalog. So I've come up with details for a bonus class. It's called the Poised Peony Class to Go. And for this class, if you choose to participate in the Unbounded Love Class to Go, then you can add on this class and you'll receive this stamp set and 2 yards of the peach pie bordered ribbon for just $35 plus 4 card kits. So the 4 cards that we're going to create. And I'll share a peek at the cards in a minute. Okay, so for just $35. Now, if you don't want to participate, actually, I should point out that these cards also use the supplies that you'll get in the Unbounded Beauty. So we're going to use this DSP, these resin dots, and I believe I also used 1 or 2 greetings from the set, and I did use these dies. So you will need to have that on hand. Okay. Now, if you do not want to participate in the Unbounded Love Class to Go, but would love to participate in the Poised Peony Class to Go, that option is available as well. The cost is $85 plus the cost to ship. It can ship anywhere in Canada, and you'll receive the Poised Peony stamp set, half a package of the Unbounded Beauty DSP, the In Color resin dots, 2 yards of the peach pie ribbon, the 4 card kits, and the emailed tutorial. And of course, there is a tutorial only option for those of you who live outside of Canada. Again, I will list the where you can find that in the comments below. As far as additional supplies, you'll need obviously a die cutting machine. You'll need blocks, adhesive. For the Unbounded Love Class to Go, we used Petunia Pop and Memento ink. And for the Poised Peony class, we used the Peach Pie ribbon, Peach Pie ink pad, Memento ink, Wink of Stella, a blender brush or a blending brush, black Stampin' Write marker, a black blend, Old Olive, Peach Pie, and Petal Pink blends. But if you don't have blends and prefer to color it a different way, you can do that as well. All right, so now would you like a peek at the cards? I've got some of the cards here that I can share with you. Now for the Unbounded Love class to go, in-person class, actually, we're going to create this card, this one, and this one. And then if you get the class to go, then there will be an additional 3 cards, which I don't have here with me to share with you. But so there's 6 cards in that class. Those are the 3 that we'll make in person. You'll also get those if you get it to go as well. And then for the Poised Peony class to go, there we've got that one, that one, that one, and that one. So you can see we focused more on the peach colors for that. So I will link to where you can find all of the information for these 2 classes in the description. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Just a reminder that the deadline to register is August 11th, and I look forward to seeing you in class. Take care.